Hello guys, today we're going to try and do a Google Unlock on this LG phone, which should be running Android 7. I've done a couple of these, Motorola and Samsung, and I haven't done LG yet, and I didn't record those videos, so I'm a little bit new to this, and so this might help you if this is the first time you're trying to do it, so I can kind of explain things a little bit more simple than the experts. And so here it is. We just started it. Of course, you want to get your Wi-Fi on, which I already did. And I'm just going to show you that this is already Google locked. So it's going to check information. And see, it says it wants you to verify your account. So we don't want to do that. So as with most Google Lock things, the first thing you want to do is enable TalkBack, and that will let you get to a different menu. And the way you enable TalkBack is like this. So we go to Accessibility here, and Vision, TalkBack. This had already been done, but you would normally turn that on. And TalkBack is disabled right now, and the way that you enable it is you hold the two volume buttons.
TalkBack resumed.
So here is now the TalkBack's on.
Navigate up button. Vision. Double tap to activate.
It's kind of quiet, I think, because I'm on the speaker. But once TalkBack is on, you do an L-shaped motion on the screen, and that will take you to a menu. So you do an L. And we want to get to
explore in a circle to find an item, then lift to activate.
TalkBack settings.
TalkBack settings.
Once you're in the settings, you want to go ahead and turn off TalkBack.
TalkBack suspended.
So that you can easily navigate. And then there's several ways you can do this, but we want to go to help and feedback. And we're basically asking for help. So what we want to do is find a way to get to YouTube or internet browser to be able to get to Google Chrome. So let's try get started. And let's see other ways. That's not it. So I'm doing this from memory. Let's try this. We'll go to send feedback and YouTube. Copy. That doesn't work. Let's try the Morse code way. So go to this video. See if it'll play here. So what we want to do is play a video.
Hi, I am Tanya. This is my voice.
Say share.
Morse code by putting dots and dashes with switches mounted near
To there.
some people who have never had access to a keyboard that works in their own language. With Tanya,
We're in YouTube now, so next step is, let's see, look it up here. We've made it to YouTube right now just by watching one of the tutorial videos, but I forget what the next step is. Let me check it and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry to look that up. So the nice thing here, even if you didn't unlock the phone, you could actually just use it to watch YouTube, which is cool. But we're now going to try and get into actual Chrome. So we're going to go here, Depending on your phone, this might be in different areas, but we want to get to terms and privacy policy right here. And this is basically a browser, so you can go ahead and type in Google, like so. And now we have Google. So now we can use the internet. Okay, I had this backwards. I thought we were doing the Google Maps way, but that seems to be the way for a different version. So this, we're going to go to type in Apex Launcher, APK. Go here. Download. Okay. Okay, that's downloaded now. Go to open. Security, the phone is set to block installation of apps from unknown sources, so we want to change that. Okay, so let's do remove administrator. This allows erase all data, change lock screen password, and lock screen can deactivate. Okay. So we're just trying to get administrator access if possible. So what we want to do is allow installation from unknown sources. So now we're going to go ahead and try to restart the phone. Each phone is different. This LG is not that. All three buttons at the same time. Get it. Hold on a second. Okay, so we're gonna do power off and restart.
Power off and restart button. Restart the phone. Restart. Shut down monitor.
Okay, we've restarted, and basically we rebooted with TalkBack on so that it would restart into this menu. And so we're gonna repeat the process of going to the
global context menu. TalkBack. Showing items 1 to 9 of TalkBack
the menu
settings.
that will
Enlist
get
9
us back
items.
to YouTube again.
TalkBack setting.
So we did the L thing, we went to settings, now we can disable TalkBack
TalkBack suspended.
by holding those two buttons. And then we're going to go to help and feedback. Just going to try to get to a video here. Go to the share. Push the three dots. Now we're on YouTube. Go here. Swipe down. Go to the three dots again. And it was going to be terms and privacy policy. So now we're in the browser, and now we can click on downloads and see the Apex launcher we downloaded. And it's going to do the same thing again, going to settings to see if we can allow installation from unknown sources. Now that we removed the administrator function previously, now we can allow it unknown sources. So now it will install that program. Good. Now we can go back to downloads. Click on this. Do you want to install this application? Yes. Okay. Installing. Installing. Okay, the Apex launcher is installed, so we'll open that up. This. All right. So, oops, not that. We can now access Chrome and somewhat of a home screen. It's still not unlocked yet though. If you tried to use Chrome or anything, it would just send you right back to the Google lock. So now we need Chrome to go to this website. So what we want is NCK Reader. /samlock. Sorry, mkcreader.com/samlock. Okay. And we're looking for, this is Android 7, so this is what this is for. And again, this is an LG K20. Results may vary depending on what kind of phone you have, but this is the one for the LG K20. K10, not sure about other ones, so click on that. And click on Remote Google. Remote Android, okay. Just take a minute. Where did it go? I guess it's just downloading now. Okay. So we open this. Do you want to install Remote 1? Yes. Yes. Okay, that's installing. Okay, it's installed. You might get an alert that this is riskware. Just forget that. So we're going to open the app. This is Remote 1. Okay. Okay, I had that wrong. So you didn't actually need to open Remote 1. You would just click done, go back, and get to your home screen. And now what we're going to do is disable Google Play. Alright, so we're going to disable this. Go to Settings and Apps. And we're going to show System Apps. So this is going to show you everything. So we want to get rid of Google Account Manager, which is here somewhere. Okay. So we're going to disable that, turn it off, then go to Google Play Services, disable, yes. Okay. We'll go back. Okay, now just have to charge the phone real quick before I finish this. Be right back. Okay, so the Google Account Manager is disabled and Google Play Services is disabled. So now we're going to go to Google Play. And what it's doing is it's blocking Google Play from trying to get the old information, and it's sort of like crashing it. That would allow you to sign in, and then once you sign in with your account, next time you restore it, you know, it's going to say you've already signed in with your account. Remove the other account that it's stuck in there and become unlocked. So as you can see here, it's now allowing me to sign into Google, whereas before in the beginning it was asking you for the old account. And that's basically how the FRP bypass works, or unlock, is you're just trying to get around the lock that it thinks that it should have. There's several ways to do it. This one is more of a disable method, so it's disabling it from checking. There's other methods that I'll be going into, but This is one of them. I don't even know what to call this. This is a is it a bypass? But anyway, so what you want to do from here is sign into your account, reboot the phone, then restore it to factory settings with your account signed in. So then that way it will erase all the history of the old account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the finished product. And disregard the Google Maps thing that I was showing you. That was for a different version of Android. But this is for Android 7, LG K20. And I'll be right back with the finished product. Okay, now that that's enabled, let's try Play Store again. And we're in. So let's try. That seems to work. So we'll go to settings, accounts. And Google, and the account is there. So now you can set everything up. Let me do that. So when you come back, it's going to do
Exit button.
back to the
Double
talk
tap
back
to
again.
activate.
Turn that
Talk
off.
back suspended.
Exit, and see, we still need to go through the setup process. So let's do that. Turn off Wi-Fi for the moment. Skip, and because there was an account in there, we should be able to just go ahead and sign in. So here we go. Let's agree to everything. Okay. And there you are. You are unlocked. Now the final step here, now that this has been set up, is to just go ahead and restore it, because you've got a couple of apps in here you don't need. Just reset to factory settings with your account still signed in. That's going to be right. See, these apps are crashing now, so we need to reset everything. I can't until I charge it more. But anyway, I'll show you the end once it's charged.